It is a tribute to grandmothers everywhere, whose love has shaped generations, and whose sacrifices often go unseen. Let's begin. The story of a Moroccan grandmother. In a quiet Moroccan home, where the golden sunlight gently filters through the window, sits a grandmother whose life is a treasure of memories. The lines on her face are not signs of age alone. They are chapters of a story written by years of love, sacrifice, and perseverance. When she looks outside, her mind travels back to another time. She remembers running through narrow streets as a young girl, dreaming about the future. She remembers the simple joys of life, the smell of freshly baked bread, and the laughter that filled every corner of her neighborhood. Life was not always easy. There were days of hardship, moments of uncertainty, and challenges that tested her strength. Yet she never gave up. She worked tirelessly, often putting her family's needs before her own. Every sacrifice she made was an act of love. Her hands, now wrinkled by time, once carried children, prepared countless meals, and comforted loved ones through their darkest moments. Those hands built a home filled with warmth, care, and hope. Around her are family photographs that tell the story of generations, weddings, birthdays, celebrations, and moments of togetherness. Each picture holds a memory, and each memory holds a piece of her heart. She has witnessed the world change in ways she could never have imagined. New technologies, new generations, and new ways of life. Yet the values she taught remain timeless: kindness, respect, honesty, and the importance of family. To her children and grandchildren, she is more than a grandmother. She is a guide, a teacher, and a source of unconditional love. Her wisdom was not learned from books, but from a lifetime of experiences. Today, she sits peacefully surrounded by memories, watching the family she helped build continue to grow. The love she planted years ago now lives in every generation that follows. A grandmother is not simply the keeper of family history. She is the heart that keeps the family together, the silent hero whose sacrifices often go unnoticed. And although time continues to move forward, her love, her wisdom, and her legacy will live forever in the hearts of those who were fortunate enough to know her.